everyone, welcome back to another video. This is going to be a controversial video because in this video I'm going to talk about how to select genuine coaching institute. How to select genuine coaching institute. Now, as a coaching institute myself, I cannot comment on that, but I'm commenting from a point of view of an avid learner of life sciences. What I believed in not only providing coaching, Shomu's Biology started to explain complex biological topics in simple terms. Till this day, I believe in that. That's why I continue to make videos for the last 12 years. Many channels have been created by the name of biology after their name. They are all inspired by my channel because I started in 2010. You can check. You will find 10 years, 12 years old videos of mine in this channel itself. So what I'm going to tell you now is not as a coaching institute owner, but as your mentor or as you can say your elder brother. From this point of view, how do you select a genuine coaching institute? Now, the most crucial mistake students do these days is they look for glitters. Glitters in the name of success stories. And the coaching institutes already found it out that students will look for success stories. So once coaching institutes figured it out, so coaching institutes start buying these success stories. So success stories start to be bought. Every session, once the exam is over, I receive many mails stating that the students mail me and say that I scored this and this. You can share my success story. Pay me 5,000, pay me 8,000, pay me 10,000. So different students, they ask for different prices. And to all of them, I say, congratulations that you qualified. I congratulate you. I congratulate you for your future career. But हमसे तो ये ना हो पाएगा. We cannot do this. So at Shomu's Biology, we stopped pushing success stories anymore. Beyond that point, if students decide not to join us, it is their decision, their conscious decisions, they can do it. But at our mind, at the end of the day, I'm not a coaching institute runner, I'm not a businessman here. I'm there to help you understand. Remember, whenever there were some issues, whenever at that time CSIR said that the syllabus they provided, they are going to increase it, I raised the voice. I made multiple videos. I said it, we need to stop it. Hopefully, till this point, they haven't changed the syllabus because it is going to be very bad for the students. So I always raise my voice even against CSIR for their malpractices every single time because I believe in fair education at the very beginning. Yeah, coaching institute is my secondary source of income from here, but I cannot sell my soul to run my coaching institute. For that reason, if you are looking for success stories, then you should know the success stories are washed, they are polished, they are bought. So how can a student in the year of 2026 find a genuine coaching institute? How do you find and check for genuinity of a coaching institute? Right? Many students ask AI about the coaching institute. This information can also be what we can say tweaked. This also be tweaked. We can tweak it. Let's say I make 10 pages in my website stating Shomu's Biology is the best coaching institute. Shomu's Biology is the best coaching institute for CSIR. Shomu's Biology is the best coaching institute for Get Life Sciences. I made 20 pages like that from different domains. Then when AI scrape my pages, they'll tell you that Shomu's Biology is the best coaching institutes. Would you believe? You say, yeah, AI said, AI has bigger brain than all of us. Gemini said, ChatGPT said. So this coaching must be the best. No, AI can easily be tricked. AI is scrapping the internet information. So if I post 10-20 posts on Quora somewhere in the Reddit and make 10 pages in my website, within a month when AI scrap all those pages, it will inevitably give you the result. So asking AI, the problem these days is that the student always try to get inside the mobile device. So they search things instead of talking to real people, instead of talking to their seniors, instead of talking to their colleagues, their juniors, their teachers. They're looking at mobile phones. Which coaching is the best? Searching in YouTube, which coaching is the best? So let's say a person is making, let's say 20 videos on that, which coaching is the best? ऐसे बोल के 10-20 अलग अलग YouTube channels बना के छोटे छोटे students की, let's say I have 200 students, I said 10 of the students to put a video saying that Shomu's Valley is the best coaching institute. So obviously the video will come in at Shomu's Valley is the best coaching institute. Very easy to trick you. It's very easy to trick you. So neither the success story nor the AI, asking AI, is going to prove the coaching is good or bad. Because based on that you cannot understand whether the coaching's property, the coaching's teaching style will suit you or not. You need to find out whether this teacher's teaching ability suits you, whether the teaching ability is enough for you to learn something. For that you need to have demos. And at Shomu's Biology, here in this website, here in this YouTube channel, I have 4,500 videos. These are demos, guys. If you like my videos, our coaching is in English only. And if you understand my English, my explanations in English, then you probably will understand the explanations in the coaching. Next, the most important thing, ask your seniors, ask your teachers. There are many teachers of yours are students of Shomu's Biology. They will tell you the real story. Ask your seniors who have joined our online coaching or offline coaching. Earlier we had offline coaching. They are going to tell you the real story. They are going to tell you how much care is taken for the students. Not only for us, for all the other coaching institutes. Talk to someone who directly took the coaching from that institute. Ask them about the coaching institute's features. They might find something bad for them, but good for you. They might say good about something about the coaching which will be bad for you. So based on the properties that they discuss with you, then you decide. That is the genuine approach to find out which coaching institutes will suit you. Because see, ultimately once you make the decision is decision, and all these coaching fees are non-refundable. At Shomu's Biology non-refundable, at other coaching institutes non-refundable. So once you join, because a service when we provide we cannot withdraw it back. So join wisely, but you ask there, and also look for reviews which cannot be manipulated much. Google reviews can be manipulated to some extent, but app reviews, app store reviews are manipulated less. But try to look at the pattern of the reviews. Try to find out whether reviews are posted. Same type of reviews repeatedly means these are posted. And the reviews which are genuine are not going to be lengthy or like that. It's going to be straight ahead. Remember that. A lengthy formatted review means it's posted. A review which is like a genuine student person writes 1 or 2 lines. That's it. People don't have time these days. So check that. Talk to, so the very first thing that you give weightage to is talk to your seniors, your juniors, your mates, your colleagues, your teachers. Then look for the teaching style, whether the teaching style suits you or not. Don't look at the glitters like success stories, like AI, asking questions to AI. No, these are the building blocks to find out a genuine coaching institute. And at Shomu's Biology, as we said that we no longer, from 2025, we are no longer going into the success story buying section. So what we do is that once student qualify, we simply ask them They reply us in WhatsApp and we just post it, the WhatsApp screenshot. Some may say that you can tweak that too, but yes, you can check the real genuinity of those students. They joined us and we just put their success story as the as the screenshot of the messages and WhatsApp that they share with us. That's what we do. We don't need to put the image and write down the roll numbers in big screens and saying that we qualified this many, that many. Try to understand one thing. There are coaching institutes claiming to qualify 4,000, 2,000 students. So CSIR Net fellowship is given to 2,500 or 3,000 students. And if a single institute is qualifying 2,000 students, that means everybody is being qualified from that the center only. Is it genuine? There is no possibility of genuinity there. So genuinity can be tested only with that. And remember one more thing, when you join a coaching institute, if there is a single owner, a single teacher, separate deal. Here Shomu's Biology you have single teacher policy. There is a good side and bad side, both are there. But if you join a coaching institute with multiple teachers, then there is a chance of teacher poaching, there is a chance of teacher shuffling. That changes the flow. Let's say you join the coaching by looking at the teaching style of one teacher, X. But when you get into the coaching, 2 classes are taken by X, then 3rd class onwards, Y teacher takes the remaining classes. So, you are misleaded, right? So, ask the coaching institutes whether they will not change the coaching teachers. At Shomu's Biology, there is no chance of that because I am the sole person teaching in here. The advantage is that you'll have a constant touch with me, a single teacher approach, same teaching style, no misleading. The disadvantages, however, you may say that how can you teach all the 13 units? Yeah, that's the thing. But I developed the skill of teaching all the 13 units. You remember Sal Khan from Khan Academy? He teaches everything. So a teacher who has the capability of explaining things can explain topics. I know my shortcomings, but I tried my best. I try my best to teach all the other topics which I was not specialized in. I was specialized in microbiology, means cell biology, biochemistry, molecular biology. I specialize in this part. But for the zoology portions like ecology, like genetics, like developmental biology, I studied really hard myself and then to the point so that I can explain it to the same simplistic manner to the students so that they understand. And I had an experience of 12 years teaching the same subject again and again and again. So you're well covered. So this is the actual approach a student should take to find genuinity of a coaching institute. I'm not saying that you need to join Shomu's Biology. You can join any coaching, but figure out based on the category and criteria that I mentioned and you will never be regretted. Remember that. You'll never regret it. And if you think that you join Shomu's Biology, if you think you have trust on me, my teaching style, then join our coaching session is about to start. The admission is going on. Contact 9804654228, WhatsApp number same, call number same. Visit www.shomusbiology.com and download Shomu's Biology application from Google Play Store. If you like this video, please hit the like button, share this video with your friends and colleagues so that they get to know about this, and subscribe to this channel to get more videos like that in future. Thank you.